accurate local forecast starts now with meteorologist Brett Thackeray.
Well, happy Monday, everybody. A new week and a new month, really, off to a good start over the weekend. Allie mentioned yesterday, we did get pretty mild, and it was a nice afternoon today, and tomorrow more of the same. I do think, though, it's going to be quite breezy this week, and we're going to get into all of that. But a quiet start here in Hummelstown. No traffic, as folks not up too early this morning, but it's chilly. Manheim down to 37. Elliotsburg also in the 30s this morning. We've got the Hershey History Center at 40 degrees, and Warwick Middle School and Lidditz at 39. So plenty of us dipping into the 30s this morning with those calm winds. Now, we actually have a coastal storm that wants to try to lift in here to central Pennsylvania, and I don't think it's quite going to make it. I think it's going to steer out to sea. We will tap into some of these higher clouds on the leading edge of it. Even though there are radar returns over us, I also don't see us getting any rain out of this. I see most of the rain staying to our south and east. It is worth tracking, though, as this encounters some drier air to see if maybe a sprinkle may occur, especially in some of our southern counties. But I don't see that happening. In fact, I see these clouds dissipating rather quickly later this morning and giving us a pretty nice afternoon. Temperatures are milder to the south where we do have those clouds, 50 in Baltimore and 53 in D.C. Locally, temperatures dropping into the low 40s. Chambersburg, 43. Harrisburg down to 43, 40 in York, and even a 39-degree temperature in Lebanon this morning. Surprisingly, though, this morning we are actually warmer by several degrees than yesterday morning. 5 degrees warmer in Harrisburg and Lancaster, almost 10 degrees warmer this morning in York, despite the chill. Yesterday's official low was 37. 64 degrees was the high, so we were above average. We had no rain. Our deficit trending back toward 2 inches, 1.86 inches in the hole. But after the rain we had last Thursday, we're doing okay. And certainly that helped with the ongoing drought that we've had. This is Lancaster, and I think this afternoon it's going to be mild again for early November. Temperatures should be now in the upper 50s, and so to get into the low to mid 60s later today, that's going to be a good thing. So here's this low, and it's going to be a little thorn in our side maybe this morning as this rain tries to push to the north, but drier air probably going to hold most of it at bay. It's going to be a breezy week because we're going to get a week where we get a train of clipper systems, and we're going to show you those here on the extended outlook, but each clipper will bring about a breeze both ahead of it and behind it as we wait for the next one to move in. I think we stay mainly dry, though, so looking ahead to this evening, remember, the sun goes down now at about 5 o'clock since the time change Saturday. So mostly clear. It'll be dark by 6, but if you do have evening plans, temperatures dipping down into the 50s, it'll be a fine November evening, though. Clouds are going to clear. It may take until later this morning, but we'll get there. And look at this afternoon. Mainly sunny. It looks pretty nice. It is going to be breezy. Tomorrow looks good. A fully sunny day. I think we're still going to be right around 60 degrees on Tuesday. And then looking ahead into Wednesday, we will start sunny and sunshine for a good part of the day. And then by Wednesday evening, here comes another clipper. And this could produce some light showers for us by Wednesday evening and Wednesday night. But each day is going to feature a bit of a breeze. Check it out. Winds today at about 10 to 15 miles an hour from the west. We're going to keep things breezy tonight and again tomorrow. Winds from the northwest at about 10 to 20 miles an hour. And then we're going to do it again on Wednesday. Each day this week looks pretty breezy, and that would include by the middle of the week, Wednesday, winds even picking up close to 20 miles an hour. So, again, that breeze is not going to quit. The extended outlook shows here comes another clipper. We mentioned the one Wednesday evening with a few showers into Thursday, and then another one Friday night into Saturday, and another clipper here for Sunday with a few showers. Now, how much rain is this going to bring? And by the way, on the backside of that, some lake effect snow possible in the mountains for Monday. Yeah, we're into November now, and the rain does not look to be that much, right? Just a few drops here and there. Sundays will probably be the worst, but we are talking about perhaps a quarter to a half inch of rain total from all of these systems, and it does look to stay cool. Look at the extended here. Temperatures will be in the 60s to start the week, and then we sort of hover right around 60 degrees really throughout the next 5 to 10 days. 64 today, mostly sunny and breezy. Tonight, 44, mostly clear and breezy. And here are the next 7 days of your life. And you can see Election Day looking pretty good tomorrow at 60 degrees, warm on Wednesday with some showers by Wednesday evening. That's a look at the forecast. We'll be back right after this.